Look at water, boy.
Jesus Christ, we recorded this twice already.
Why you acting like that? Because I want to.
It's not